Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video, and this is a pretty special one. We got a wild car out here. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of the Ferrari 355 Evoluto, but we have one right here with the Exotics Network for the Lonestar Supercars rally that they're going to be having out here, and it's in a really bright candy red color. So yeah, go ahead and check it out real quick with this video, and hopefully y'all enjoy. I'm just going to be reading off a few facts off my phone because I don't know too much about it, but hopefully y'all enjoy. It's a really crazy resto mod, so yeah, let's jump onto it and hopefully y'all enjoy. So what I found online is the Evoluto celebrates mechanical connection. The 355 by Evoluto is a ground-up re-engineering of a 1990s icon executed with manufacturer-level discipline to deliver peak analog, our ethos for high fidelity feel. Damn, just the candy red is so nice on this car. I really like the leather interior that he has too. That is so beautiful, and it's a right-hand drive as well. Has a manual gated transmission. Wonder how many gears it is. I believe that might be 5, but dang, just the way that they re-engineered everything in the inside looks so good. And I think it's a carbon fiber bucket seat as well that he has. That's so cool. So what I'm reading about this Evoluto is that 200 new components were engineered into the powertrain, and also there was 100 horsepower that was added to this car, which is super duper wild. The fact that they were able to pull out 100 more horsepower from this car is pretty insane. Ferrari Evoluto right here. This thing looks so good. It is raised up. I believe this is like it's like a button that you can press on this thing to just to raise it up a little bit more, because I don't think it was like that earlier. The fact that he has it with the windows open and it's all dusty here is kind of crazy to me, but still so cool.